Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to log slicer for resize and more in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So to add the slicer in this data, you have to convert this data in table. To convert this data table, select first entire data. So select the inside the cell in this data and use the shortcut key ctrl A. Then use the shortcut key ctrl T to convert this data in table. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, create table. Simply click on OK, and that's it. Your data is converted in table. Then click on this data and go to the table design tab. And here you can see in tools group have an option insert slicer. Just click on the insert slicer and you can see the list of column yours. So in this, as per your data, the list is here showing. Okay. So select the column those you want to filter and want to check quickly. So I select here the product. Okay. Then click on OK. And that's it. Your slicer is ready. Now you can easily move anywhere with the help of mouse, and you can easily resize this slicer here. Okay. To log this resize and move moment, you can easily log this. Okay. Simply right click on the slicer and click on the size and properties option. And here you can see the one format slicer details is open. Okay. And here in position and layout option, just click on this arrow. You can see the one arrow. In position and layout option, have one option disable resizing and moving. Just click on it. That's it. And close this. Your slicer, you're not, now you can't move anywhere and resize it. You can see there is a not work. Okay. It means it's locked the resize. Okay. And movement of the slicer. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.